Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I have my friend Michelle in today. She's one of my oldest friends. So she hasn't had a sit on for a while, so she's come in and she's gone all out. So I've done all the prep work on her natural nails and I applied Glitter Planet's tapered square tips. Remember, if you want any, I'm using their glitters today as well, and if you want anything from their website, to use my code Tracy10, which gives you 10% off your order. So here I'm going in with, I applied my clear layer obviously, and now I'm going in with Sapphire from CJP. This has been so popular probably this past week with all my clients. It's such a gorgeous colour, it really is. It's another one of those ones where I'd look at it and think, nah, I ain't getting that, like it's not a bit of me. But I need to forget about that sometimes. I always think, oh, I'm only going to get the ones that I like, but what I like and what other people like are two different things, aren't they? So I brought a load of coloured acrylic from CJP that, you know, I wouldn't usually normally go for, and a lot of people have been picking them, so there we go. So yeah, but honestly it's absolutely stunning. It's got like a slight shimmer to it, so it's really, I love anything that's got a shimmer to it, because they're really easy to work with. You know, and we always like things to be easy. So then onto the ring finger, I'm using a birthday suit. I do faff about with this now, with this smile line, I'm not going to lie. I think I picked up too of a smaller bead, but hey, I go in about 3 or 4 times, I'm not going to lie. So yeah, I'm just going to create a smile line. I'll let you watch this. And today I'm using a different brush. I'm sick of trying to remember what brush I'm using from Glitter Planet, so I've just swapped it completely. And as you can see, it says it on the brush, CJP Big Boy. So then on the middle finger, I'm using that same colour, and I'm just kind of creating a trail. I don't know why I did this. When I did the because I did this hand first obviously, and then when I come around to do her other hand, I didn't put this sapphire down first. I just went straight in with the glitter. It really wasn't needed, and it was just much harder to like blend the glitter out because there was a ridge there. But yeah, so this definitely wasn't needed, but I thought I'd just leave it in. So once I've done that, I come in with this glitter. It is from Glitter Planet. It is Galaxy. Again, this has been so popular. It's such a stunning colour. So stunning colour, stunning glitter. It's so shiny and holographic. The name Galaxy just suits it so well as well, don't it? Yes, I'm just kind of creating like, you can see me like again faffing around with this now because of that colour was there. So if you're going to recreate this, don't put the colour down, just go straight in with glitter. I wanted to keep one side of the nail clear, so like a glass nail. I haven't really done these before, and I loved the how they turn out. So the pointer finger is going to be an ombre. I was just going to keep it just blue, but then I picked up a colour that had like the exact same shimmer to it that the Sapphire had. And we was like, are they going to go? We don't know, but we just hoped for the best. And they went really well. So we're using carbon grey. Really nice, like don't know how to describe it, like a grey with a shimmer to it, metallic-y sort of thing. Really, really pretty. It was a little bit of a struggle to ombre, but you know, just keep going in with the colours and blending, and you'll get there in the end. But you can see like the same sort of shimmer. So again, it was really nice and easy to work with. That's what we want. So the farm, I'm just kind of picking both of those colours up. I wasn't trying to create a marble or anything. I just wanted those two colours together, so you could kind of see the different tones. I'm just swirling around. Half of this clip is missing because my partner rang me. So then here I'm just going to come in with my hand file and just perfect the shape. We was absolutely in stitches at this part. We was like reminiscing about school days and funny stuff that we've done. So that's why the camera was a little bit shaky, and I'm a bit like, I wasn't good at filing. Look, I'm getting caught up and everything. We was laughing. I remember when we was in, let me tell you the story. We was in I can't remember what year it was in, but we was watching a video about periods. It was in secondary school, and my friend Michelle, her tummy was growling so loud, and I kept turning around and she was bending over trying to cover up the growl. And she looked at me and she whispered to me, Trace, you got a sandwich? I was like, as if I could just pass you a sandwich, like we were in assembly, as if I'm going to get a sandwich and let you eat it in assembly. So we always laugh about that. Look, I even knocked over my glitter. I thought I'd show you, but you might not find that funny, but it was absolutely like, have you got just bent over to me, Tracy, you've got a sandwich or something? No mate, absolutely not. Oh my god, she made me die. Anyway, so here I'm using the sapphire at the tip, and then the glitter around that little smile line bit. And then once I've done that, I come in and cap all the nails in crystal glass. So I just showed you two nails of me capping them. So I'm leave a little clip here of what they look like just before I top coated them. Well, she had to go in and wash them, obviously. So now we're going in with CJP Tack Free Top Gloss. I did apply some crystals on the ring finger, just a couple in blue, obviously. Blue da ba dee da. Anyway, so now she cures in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. I apply some cuticle oil. I did apply a little bit of top coat under the glass now, just to make it more see-through, clear, whatever. I don't know. I've seen people do that, so I was like, I'm gonna do it. So yeah, that's the final result. So I do leave a little clip at the end for you to see them in all their glory. I do hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if my story was boring, but it was funny to me and Michelle. Hashtag, do you have a sandwich? Anyway, see you in my next one. Bye.